Honor has penetrated their roots in Indian tech market in the past few years, and just with it keep going, Honor has launched Honor Band 5 and it's already there in market for 3 months and since we're using it. So in this video let's have a look at the not so brand new Honor Band 5. Talking about the looks, the Band 5 has been criticized for its look being a fitness band in comparison to Mi Band 4, but it genuinely looks good due to no bump as of Mi Band 4 have one. Honor Band 5 comes with a classy clear screen body with a good looking band, although the strip quality does not seem to be very premium, but it's definitely not bad. At least it does not have a childish body bump. Talking about the features, the Band 5 has quite a ton of features, but the global version isn't loaded with blood oxygen meter and is only available for the Chinese version. Coming back to the global version, it has the most accurate sensors including heart rate meter to sense and count your heartbeat per minute, sleep counter to count the number of hours your brain was actually resting subconsciously. Also, it has a workout feature to set goals to different cardiovascular activities you do, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Other than that, there are settings which allows you to make changes in brightness, time and date, find a paired device with the UI Health app, and obviously you can always look up to the data for timer, steps count, calories burnt, kilometers you have walked, and change watch faces. Also, the navigation is so easy and relevant for you to navigate. Just the right swipe to go back to the previous screen and the home touch to get back over to the home screen. Being apart from having the most accurate sensors giving the most accurate data, the Band 5 also have a great monitoring system. All you need to do is install UI Health app from Play Store or App Store, which you can download from the link given in the description. Just turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and get it paired with your Band 5 using UI Health app and track all the data there in your smartphone. Also, you can find your phone using the Find My Phone feature given in the UI Health.